Hello, Makale, it's me Gopal here from Ireland Car. Hope you're doing well. First of all, thank you so much for all your love and support. Today is Sunday. You know where I'm here? I'm in Car, first Indian boutique place. Okay, you never seen such a best place in Car. I'm going to introduce you. I don't want to take much time. Here with this Monica here.
Hello.
Hello, yeah.
Hello, wonderful people. This is Monica from Balaji Boutique.
Can you please introduce yourself for viewers?
Yeah. So myself, Monica. I am basically from Rajasthan and married to Gujarat. Yeah, my husband belongs to Gujarat, and we are here since 5 years in Ireland. Before we were in Netherlands for 5 years. Yeah. So, and I started my boutique 1.5 years ago. And Gopal, you were asking about the journey.
Yeah.
So when we came to Ireland, we saw like every culture, all the festivals are celebrated here. Every culture have their own community people, and so celebrations were going on. That is so good. We are carrying our culture with us. But we were like, there was no place where we can buy our clothes, our puja things, those, and home decor, especially during Diwalis. So that's how that idea clicked into my mind. Okay. And actually, this is our family business as well back in India.
Oh, very good.
Yeah. So that's how it started. And the biggest support in this is my husband.
Oh,
yeah,
good.
And also I'm a mom of 6-year-old boy.
Oh, very good.
Yeah,
very good.
So yeah, we are managing it like this.
Very good.
Yeah.
How long you are doing this business?
I started in August 2023.
Oh, very
yeah,
good.
so it's already been 1.5 years.
Very good.
Yes.
How people know you? Through social media?
Through social media, I am publishing. I also do marketing events and all the sponsorships as well. Yeah, that's how.
Okay, how people can find you? What is the name of the social?
Yeah, so you can also find it on Google. If you like search Indian clothes in Cork or maybe ethnic wear in Cork, you will find Balaji Boutique. That's in Carrigaline. And I also have provided the contact details and the information about Balaji Boutique. So you can you can make an appointment from there, and you can directly call to me and can approach us.
Oh, thank you. And do you know air code of this place?
Of course, the air code is P43YD27.
Okay.
Yeah,
thank you so much.
I will also mention it into the description.
Okay.
Yeah, maybe we can put it there.
Maybe you can explain to our
Of
viewers
course.
what are
Yeah,
the
I
things
have all Indian exquisite jewelries, and you can see lots of dresses everywhere. So saris, suits, lehengas. Like you can see me. This is like velvet dresses, suits for winter wears to keep us cozy, like Kashmiri Pashmina dresses. So I have covered mostly all varieties. I have men's kurtas as well. All these are variety of men's kurtas, suits, the winter dresses, saris, blouse, underskirts, dupattas, bangles, glass bangles, everything. Mostly I have tried my best to cover. So if I talk about like most liked articles, so those are the anarkalis. I can show you what anarkali is. So such kind of people call it evening gowns as well, one-piece dresses as well, maxis as well, but popularly known as anarkalis.
Okay.
Yeah. So they are the almost high in demand, always high in demand.
Okay,
Yeah.
Is it mostly Indian comes here, even the
No,
locals comes?
mixed culture comes like Europeans as well, because now most of the Indians are getting married here.
Yes.
So and like getting married here, you have your local friends to invite, and so and if they are going to an Indian wedding, so they just try to be look like just not to be very different from among them.
They make them
beautiful. Beautiful, correct.
Yeah.
So so European people, Irish people also inclining towards Indian ethnic wears. Yeah, and mostly influenced from Bollywood
That's
as
right.
well. Yeah,
That's right,
you
yeah.
know.
Balle balle.
Bale bale, yeah. Correct. Collection.
Yes.
I have variety of colors. They are, and I have, the best thing is I have covered all the sizes from extra small to 7XL.
Oh, very good. Very
Yeah,
good, very good.
till 54 I
Okay.
have covered all the sizes, colors, varieties, all the vibrant colors, subtle colors, everything I have covered. For daddies as well, I have their bottom wears as well with, with the kurta, matching with the kurta.
Yeah, please go get forward. You're right.
I am more excited to
That's
show
right.
you
Thank
about
you.
the
Thank you so
women
much.
collection.
Yeah.
So I also have these kind of, you know, winter
Kashmir.
wears. Yeah, they are exclusively from Kashmir.
Oh,
You know, pashmina. Have you,
okay.
if you have ever heard about it?
Okay.
Yeah. So these are pashmina made winter wears. So I have variety of colors and designs as well in this.
That's
So yeah, you don't have to worry about your jackets or winters, especially in Irish weather.
That's right.
Yeah,
that's
Indian
right.
wears are always,
That's right, yeah.
you know, such
We
kind
have
of.
lots
Yeah.
of good collections. You know?
Oh, thank you.
Oh, very
They are
good.
all hand-picked and, you know, exclusively, yeah,
Okay.
brought here. Yeah, such kind of party wear dresses.
Nice.
So like this, Gopal,
Yeah.
you can wear them in weddings or any birthday parties or housewarmings or any, and they are exclusively made from silk.
Okay.
Yeah. They're coming with dupattas, and I have sizes as well in this.
Okay.
And if you talk about colors,
Okay.
yeah.
I can hold it
See,
for you.
no, that's okay. That's
Thank
okay.
you,
That's
thank you.
okay. That's okay.
Okay.
You know, the ivory color.
Oh, beautiful
Yeah.
colors.
Yes. I have one
Okay.
more color in this.
Oh, maroon. Very
Yeah.
Nice.
Yes. So
Yeah.
you know, and they are coming with these very beautiful and delicate dupattas.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. So that's how
Okay.
they are into the collection right
Oh,
now.
You have beautiful collections.
Thank you, Gopal.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, and I also have covered cord sets as well. You know, for the younger girls.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
all
they
right.
don't want to carry dupattas and, you know,
Yes,
very flowy.
Yeah.
So these are very comfy cord sets as well.
Okay,
They
okay.
are also again available in sizes and
Okay.
colors. So if we talk about color, yeah,
Oh, nice
I
colors.
have, yeah.
Super.
So yeah, and this is a very delicate gotapati work. They
Okay.
are exclusively from Rajasthan.
You said that you have lots of jewelries for
Oh
the
yes,
Indian
Gopal. Yeah,
women and the
we
kids.
have covered all everything like necklaces, rings, bangles,
Okay.
glass bangles, oxidized bangles,
Okay.
and bindis. Everything
Okay.
we have covered. Earrings. So these are, you know, these are in the oxidized ones. They are
Okay.
especially from Gujarat.
Okay.
Yeah, and they goes very well with ethnic or western wear or both. Yeah, so like these are bangles, again oxidized ones.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
and these are the South Indian, especially South Indian or Maharashtrian
Okay.
golden polish
Okay.
jewelries. You can see little Mahalakshmi into this.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
so
Yeah.
they are from south of India.
Okay.
And we were talking about bangles.
Oh, you have
Yeah.
more collections
Oh
inside.
yes,
Oh,
yes, look here.
Super, very nice.
I also have chudas, you know,
Okay.
for the newlywed girls.
Okay.
Yeah, they just like to wear the red bangles. So
very
I
good.
have covered them as well. And these are the glass bangles in all sizes.
Okay.
Yeah, colors and sizes, you just name it, I have it.
Fantastic, fantastic. I think our customer going to knock the door straight away. I promise, you know.
Sure, I
You're
look
so
forward to
good.
it. Thank you.
Thank you
Yeah,
so much.
yeah,
Thank
yeah,
you.
yeah. Thank you, Gopal.